Hi, my friends out there in Cindy's Corner. I hope you have this book, Snow Dog, Go Dog. If you've got it, go get it so that you can follow along. And if you don't, while they're getting their book, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and share Cindy's Corner with your friends and tell them to subscribe so they don't miss story time with Cindy. Here's our title page, Snow Dog, Go Dog. Written, the author is Deborah Heiligman. The illustrator is Tim Bowers. Tinka is a play dog, a yay dog, a loves to romp all day dog. A fun dog, a run dog, a flurries have begun dog. Catching them in his mouth. A snow dog, a go dog, a running to and fro dog. A where dog, a there dog, a hiding polar bear dog. He's trying to trick you, isn't he? To look like a bear. A heel dog, a thrill dog, a wibble, wobble, spill dog. Whoa! A glide dog, a ride dog, a body sledding slide dog. He doesn't need a sled, does he? He's just sliding on his belly, going down a hill. Tinka is a chilly dog, a silly dog, a wants to romp with Millie dog. He's playing upside down, isn't he? Just those two dogs are playing. A play dog, a stray dog. Must be a stray. Means it just showed up. A wonders far away dog. Oh, that's not good. Soon come back. A chase dog, a race dog, a lost in a strange place dog. He's run so much chasing that stray dog, now he's lost. Oh no, what's he gonna do? Tinka is a sad dog, a feeling bad dog, a wanting what she had dog. She wants to go back where she came from. A worry dog, a scurry dog. She's scurrying along. A searching in a hurry dog. A joy dog, a boy's dog, a here's your favorite toy dog. Now they found him. They're out looking for their dog. Here's his favorite toy. Uh-oh. They found him, didn't they? Yay! A clomping dog, a stomping dog, a having fun and romping dog. They found him. It's got a bone. Tinka is a great dog, a treat dog, a being home is sweet dog. No place like home. A rosy dog, a dozy dog, a hugged and fed and cozy dog. Do you have a puppy dog? Does it run away? Is it glad to be home? Is it glad when you get home? Is it hug you and snuggle up with you? Tell me about it in Cindy's Corner. Draw me a picture of your dog. Tell me about your dog if you've got one. If you don't have one, do you wish you had one? Tell me about that. Maybe you live in an apartment building and you don't have room for one. That's understandable. Because, you know, dogs, they have to go potty and you have to take them out. And if you're not there, or if you're in an apartment building and you're way up high, then it's hard to get them to go out and have a special place. Tell me about if you have a dog or not. And does it romp and play in the snow? I can't wait to see your comments on Cindy's Corner. Have a great day, and tell somebody you love them and give them a hug. Don't forget, share Cindy's Corner with your friends. Don't miss story time. Go ahead and look back at the other stories that you might have missed. There's plenty out there. Have a great one.